Ever wondered how AI tools like ChatGPT are turning everyday people into millionaires? Stick around and I'll show you how to get started, even if you're a total beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to leverage AI to build wealth in 2025 and beyond. Let's dive in. All right, let's break it down. Here are 4 AI-driven ways people like you are building income streams right now. Picture this. You create a copywriting business using tools like Jasper AI or Copy.ai. With AI's help, you're cranking out high-quality content in minutes. Clients love it because it's quick and professional. Freelancers like Lucy, a teacher-turned-copywriter, are now earning $10,000 a month. Her secret? She mastered AI tools and marketed her services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Watch out. Don't rely solely on AI to do the thinking. Add your personal touch to stand out from the competition. Start small with free or low-cost tools. Many, like Canva AI and ChatGPT, offer free plans. Experiment, learn, and scale as you gain confidence. Experiment, learn, and scale as you gain confidence. Meet Sarah. She runs an e-commerce store selling custom mugs with AI tools like Shopify's AI Assistant and Printify. She automated product design and customer interactions. In just 6 months, she hit $100,000 in sales. AI handles the heavy lifting, letting her focus on growth. Think about what repetitive tasks you can delegate to AI. Whether it's customer service with ChatGPT or social media scheduling with tools like Buffers AI, automation can save you hours every day, and time is money. Watch out. Over-automation can feel impersonal. Balance AI efficiency with a human touch. Businesses are desperate to adopt AI but don't know where to start. That's where consultants come in. Even if you're not a tech expert, you can learn to integrate tools like Zapier for workflow automation or Jasper AI for marketing. Charge clients for your expertise, like Ravi, who consults small businesses and earns $7,000 per project. Invest time in learning, not coding, just understanding the basics of AI tools. Many platforms, like Coursera, offer beginner-friendly courses. From writing ebooks with ChatGPT to creating AI-generated art on platforms like Etsy, there's huge potential for creatives. Take John, for instance. He sells AI-designed logos and branding kits, making over $50,000 last year. The trick? Finding a niche and marketing effectively. Remember Sarah? Here's her playbook. She used ChatGPT to write engaging product descriptions, automated her store with Shopify's AI tools, and ran targeted ads using AI-driven platforms like adcreative.ai. She didn't just build a store, she built a system, and you can do it too. The key is leveraging AI to do the hard stuff so you can focus on strategy. If you're wondering where to start, here are my top picks. For writing, ChatGPT or Jasper AI. For design, Canva AI or Midjourney. For automation, Zapier or Make. And guess what? Many of these tools are free or have affordable plans. Bonus tip, check out communities like Reddit's Our Entrepreneur for real-world advice from others using AI. Here's a simple roadmap. 1. Pick one area: content creation, consulting, or automation. 2. Learn a basic AI tool. 3. Start offering a service or selling a product. Begin small and scale up as you gain experience. Now it's your turn. What's your AI business idea? Drop it in the comments and I'll help you refine it. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more AI-powered strategies. Remember, the AI revolution isn't just for techies, it's for anyone ready to work smart and win big. Keep learning, keep earning, and visit theaimarketingschool.com for more. See you next time.